Welcome back to Healthy Nidhi, your place where good food is made easy. So let's make sugar-free chocolate cake without any added sugar. We add soft dates and soak it in hot water to soften it and make a paste. In another pan, we take 2 soft bananas, mash it well to form a smooth paste. Then we add eggs at room temperature and mix well to combine, adding in buttermilk for that added sweetness and the date paste. Mix well to combine. Then we add the rolled oats, oats flour, almond flour which has been prepared at home or almond meal, baking powder, a bit of pink Himalayan salt, cocoa powder and mix well to combine. Then in a pan lined with parchment paper, we add some chopped nuts like walnuts or almonds and pour the batter and bake for 45 minutes at 140 degrees centigrade. While the cake is baking, let's make the frosting. We chop some chocolate and melt it in a double boiler till the chocolate melts and softens. Then we add milk to make the creamy chocolate ganache. This is an optional step but adds tons of flavor to the cake. So here is the sugar-free cake which is so soft and so much of sweetness without any added sugar. Pour the ganache on top of the cake and slather it gently to cover the cake. Top it with berries of your choice and make it also pretty. Next up, we are making high protein cake. To make this cake, we need soft brown bananas, mashing it well. To this, we add brown sugar, melted butter, some milk and mix well to combine. Cocoa powder, baking powder and sieve the mixture till everything comes together beautifully. Then we empty the mixture in a pan and bake for 35 minutes at 170 degrees centigrade. Once cool, slice the cake and serve along with a favorite beverage. So I hope you liked the recipe as much as I did, and in case you did, do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends and family. Till then, happy healthy eating.